सर्वेभ्यः नमः। सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः। अद्य एतस्मिन् साक्षात् प्रसारणे सम्भाषण संस्कृत पाठ्यक्रमे भवद्भ्यः सर्वेभ्यः भवतीभ्यः सर्वाभ्यः हार्दं स्वागतं करोमि। Namaste. Hello. I welcome you all today in this online class of Sanskrit. I hope you are all having a good time, and I hope you are enjoying these online classes which are organized by the Embassy of India, Berlin, and Tagore Center, which is in the Embassy of India, Berlin. All right. In the last lessons, we have discussed about the use of genitive case, use of nominative case. We have used some nouns and some pronouns in their different forms. So today we will learn about the use of verbs. That every day we use verbs in our day-to-day conversation. So we would learn about the use of verbs today. As you know, there are different persons. There are three persons in Sanskrit. One is first person. We have already used this saying aham, I. Aham Sadanandaha, I am Sadananda. Aham Balaha, I am a boy. Aham Acharyaha, I am a teacher. Aham Vruddhaha, I am an old man. So Aham Naraha, I am a man. Like this, use this. Today we will, and then this was the first person. Then third person, we have also used Naraha, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Gopalaha. These are the nouns in third person, and also the pronouns like Saha, Saha Ramaha, Saha Balaha, Saha Acharyaha, Saha Vruddhaha, Saha Vruddhaha, he is an old man. Saha Acharyaha, he is a teacher. Saha Balaha, he is a boy. So this is Saha, and Eshaha, Eshaha Balaha, this is a boy. In feminine, Esha, Sa. So all these we have learned. And for second person, we have not used the second person pronoun tvam for the time being. Instead of tvam, we have used the honorific term bhavan and bhavati, which means you in masculine and bhavati, you in feminine. So all these we have used in the last classes. Today we will use the verbs. Verb is kriya padam. In Sanskrit, we call kriya padam or kriya. Kriya means a verb. Kriya padam, a verbal word. So today we will learn about them. Ramaha. Ramaha asti. Rama is. We have also used certain words in these certain sentences last time. Ramaha atra asti. Rama is here. Ramaha tatra asti. Rama is there. Ramaha kutra asti. Where is Rama? We have also used the interrogative pronoun kutra. Atra, tatra, kutra. sarvatra, anyatra, ekatra, these words we have already used. So when you say Ramaha atra asti, that means Rama is here. Balaha atra asti, the boy is here. Let me see the who are there on the chat. Okay. Hi to everybody. Perhaps I was not so communicative in the chat, but today let us see. Perhaps I will try to interact more with you in the chat. But it is more speaking. I am just explaining, and I am using the words directly. Ramaha atra asti. Rama is here. Balaha tatra asti. The boy is there. So asti. Balaha asti. Ramaha asti. Saha asti. He is there. So for third person singular forms, the verb we use is asti. Ramaha asti, saha asti, bhavan asti, you are there. Bhavan asti, bhavan tatra asti, you are there. Bhavati tatra asti, you are there. A female person, bhavati. And kanya asti, the girl is there. Purushaha asti, the man is there. Asti. So with third person nouns or pronouns sahasa, esha, bhavan, bhavati, one can use the verb asti in singular forms. Then for aham, then we have to use aham asmi. Aham asmi, I am. Aham sadanandaha asmi, I am Sadanand. Aham acharyaha asmi, I am a teacher. Aham purushaha asmi, I am a man. Aham atra asmi, I am here. So for first person, the verb is asmi, and for third person, the verb is asti. Asti, asmi. Let's see some more examples of verbs. Verb is called kriyapadam, kriyapadani, verbs. Pathati, pathati, reads or reading. Pathati. Likhati, he writes. Likhati, writes. Nidrati, nidrati, he sleeps. Kridati, kridati or khelati, playing or plays. Dhavati, dhavati, he runs. Khadati, 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 he eats. Khadati or bhakshayati, so he eats. Khadati, bhakshayati. Atra vanaraha, vanaraha khadati, vanaraha bhakshayati. Atra shishuhu khadati, a baby eats. Atra vanaraha khadati, a monkey eats. So khadati or bhakshayati, eats. Similarly, pibati, pibati, drinks. Atra there is a woman drinks, so we can say sa pibati. Sa pibati. Here, snati. Snati. He baths. He takes a bath. Snati. We can say saha snati. He baths. He takes a bath. Or shishuhu snati. A baby takes bath. Snati. Snati. Bath. Vadayati. Vadayati, playing an instrument. Vadayati. Saha vadayati. Saha vadayati. To play. Vadayati, plays. Kridati. Khelati. Saha kridati. Saha khelati. Khelati or kridati, plays. Uttishtati. Uttishtati, to get up, to wake up in the morning. Uttishtati. Then pujayati or archati. Archati, pujayati, he worships. He worships. Nrityati. Nrityati, dancing, dance. Sa nrityati. We can say sa nrityati, she dances. We can say stri nrityati, a woman dances or is dancing. Nrityati, dancing. Kshalayati, to kshalayati, washing, cleaning. Hastau kshalayati. He cleans his washes, his hands, or he washes his hands. Hastau kshalayati. Similarly, mukham kshalayati. She washes her face. Mukham kshalayati. Washing dishes. Patram kshalayati. Patram kshalayati. Patram marjayati would be also alright. Patram marjayati. Janati. Janati. No. Saha janati. He knows. Purushaha janati. The man knows. Balaha janati. The boy knows. Janati, knows. Vadati, kathayati, bhashate, speaks. Vadati, speaks. Kathayati, speaks. Akaranayati or shrunoti, he listens. Akaranayati or shrunoti, he listens. Here we can say Shishuhu akaranayati, the baby listens. Or saha akaranayati, he listens. Or sa akaranayati, she listens. The other verb shrunoti, also sa shrunoti, she listens. Or shishuhu shrunoti, the baby listens. Or balaha shrunoti, the boy listens. So shrunoti or akaranayati, listens. Gayati, gayati, sings. Kanya gayati, the girl sings. Kanya gayati, the girl sings. Purushaha gayati, the man sings. Stri gayati, the woman sings. Sa gayati, she sings. Esha gayati, this or she sings. Saha gayati, he sings. So Gayati sings. Chintayati, thinks. Sa chintayati, she thinks. Esha chintayati, this thinks. Esha kanya chintayati, this girl thinks. So Gayati sings, chintayati thinks. Hasati, hasati laughs. Sa hasati, she laughs. Vikrinati, sells, selling things. Vikrinati, selling things in a shop. Vikrinati, he sells, he is selling. Krinati, purchasing, buying. Vikrinati, selling, and Krinati, buying. She buys. Sa Krinati. He sells. He is selling. Saha Vikrinati. Saha Vikrinati. Sa Krinati. Santarati, swimming. Santarati, swimming. Naraha santarati, a man is swimming. Saha santarati, he is swimming. Saha naraha santarati, the man is swimming, or that man is swimming. Eshaha naraha santarati, this man is swimming. Santarati. Bukkati. Bukkati. Bukkati, barking. Kukkuraha bukkati, the dog is barking. Kukkuraha bukkati, the dog is barking. When we ask a question, how we can ask a question? Who is barking? Kaha bukkati. Kaha bukkati, who is barking? And that will be, the dog is barking. Kukkuraha bukkati. Bukkati is barking. Dahati, burning, burns. Dahati. Dahati, burning, burns. Agnihi dahati, the fire burns. Agnihi dahati, the fire burns. Agnihi vanam dahati, the fire burns the forest. Dahati, burns or burning. Nirvapayati. Nirvapayati is extinguishing. Burning, burns. Dahati, burning. Nirvapayati, extinguishing. Or shamayati. Also other verb would be shamayati, extinguishing. Vishramyati. Vishramyati, which means taking rest, resting. Saha vishramyati, he is resting. Purushaha vishramyati, the man is resting. Vishramyati, taking rest. Kshipati, the verb is kshipati. Kshipati, throwing. Kshipati, throwing. Saha kshipati, he throws, or he is throwing. Kshipati. Chumbati, kissing. To kiss, kissing. Chumbati. सा चुंबती, सा चुंबती, सा शिशुम चुंबती, she is kissing the baby, चुंबती. अध्यापयति और अथवा पाठयति, अध्यापयति और पाठयति इज टीचिंग. सह सह पाठयति, सह अध्यापयति, he is teaching. आचार्यः पाठयति, the teacher is teaching. शिष्यः पठति, आचार्यः पाठयति. So पठति learning, reading, पाठयति teaching, और other verb is अध्यापयति teaching. कर्षति, कर्षति cultivating, plowing, plowing, we can say plowing, to plow, krish, karshati, or tilling, he tills the land, saha karshati, land is kshetram, saha kshetram karshati, or we can say the person, krishakaha, a farmer, krishakaha kshetram karshati, the farmer tills the land, karshati. Pashyati, pashyati, seeing, she sees or she is seeing. Sa pashyati, sa pushpam pashyati, she sees the flower. Saha pashyati, saha pashyati, sa pashyati, pashyati seeing. Darshayati, showing. Pashyati seeing, darshayati showing, he shows. Saha, he is showing or he shows. Saha darshayati. Saha akasham darshayati, he shows the sky. Akasham darshayati. Yeah. Jigrati, smelling. Jigrati, smelling. Sa jigrati, she is smelling, she smells. Sa pushpam jigrati, she smells the flower. Krandati, weeping. Saha krandati, he is weeping, he weeps or cries, he is crying. Krandati, krandati, crying. Pachati, cooking. Pachati, cooking. Saha pachati, he cooks. Mata pachati, mother cooks. Pita pachati, father cooks. Mata, mother, or janani, we have used the word janani. Janani pachati. And father, pita, we have used janakaha. So janakaha pachati, father cooks. She cooks. Sa pachati, cooking, pachati. Arohati, climbing. Arohati, climbing. Sa arohati, sa arohati, shishuhu arohati. The boy, the baby is climbing. One can say purushaha arohati, the man is climbing. You can say balaha arohati, the boy is climbing. So arohati is climbing. Avarohati, coming down, descending. Avarohati, arohati, climbing. Avarohati, descending, coming down. Or avatarati, also descending or coming down. Arohati, and avatarati. Nudati, nudati, pushing. Nudati, pushing. Saha nudati. Karshati, pulling. Saha karshati. Amaha karshati. Krishnaha karshati. Pulling also other meaning is to say attracting. Krishnaha karshati. Krishna attracts all beings towards him, so therefore he is known as Krishna. Karshati iti Krishna. So karshati, to pull or to attract. Kurdati, kurdati, to jump. Kurdati, he jumps. Balaha kurdati. Kurdati. Khanati, digs. He digs. Bhumim khanati, he digs the ground. Kshetram khanati, he digs the field. Kshat khanati. Ganayati, ganayati, counting, counts. Saha ganayati, he counts. Balaha ganayati, the boy counts. Charvayati, chewing. Charvayati, chewing. Saha charvayati, he is chewing. Charvayati. Dhyayati, meditating. Dhyayati, meditating. Namati, saluting. Namati, saluting. Saying namaste. Saying hello. Namati. Karam mardayati. Karam mardayati, shaking hands. Karamardanam, handshake. Karam mardayati. Saha karam mardayati. He shakes hands. He is shaking hands. Which is prohibited these days because of the pandemic situation. It's better to say namaste, namati, namami. Chikitsati, to treat. Treats, treating a patient. Chikitsati. Vaidyaha chikitsati. Vaidyaha chikitsati. Garjati. Garjati. Roaring. Vyagraha garjati. Singhaha garjati. Vyagraha garjati. Singhaha garjati. Garjati. Dadati. And the verb dadati, athava yachati, athava prayachati. We can say prayachati or yachati or dadati, gives. Saha prayachati, he gives. Saha yachati, he gives. Or saha dadati, he gives. Swikaroti, he receives. Prayachati, he gives, he is giving. And Swikaroti, he is receiving. Pranamati. Pranamati, also saluting, but in a different way. This is namati, saluting. This is pranamati, saluting more intensely, or prostrating, to prostrate in front of somebody, saluting. Another verb we use in everyday life, udghatayati, opening. Dwaram udghatayati, opening the door. सः द्वारम् उद्घाटयति, he opens the door. पिदधाति, closing, सः द्वारं पिदधाति, he is closing the door. So द्वारम् उद्घाटयति, द्वारम् उद्घाटयति, द्वारं पिदधाति. ताड़यति और तुदति, beating or striking, सः तुदति, सः ताड़यति. Yeah. तोलयति, weighing, तोलयति, weighing. वर्षति, वर्षति, raining, it rains, varshati. Or you can say megho varshati, the cloud rains. Megho varshati, the cloud. Okay. So thank you everybody whom I see now. Tejasvi, Suresh, Martha, Shivaranjan, Bettina, Juliana, Jignesh. Thank you everybody. I hope you are enjoying. Today we are learning about the use of verbs. These are some of the verbs which we use in our day-to-day conversation. Now, it is pathati, gachati, khadati, likhati, bhakshayati, hasati, vadati, pachati. All these are the verbs in third person, singular form, singular number. So where you use a third person noun or pronoun in singular. Saha, eshaha, ramaha, kaha, sa, ka, भवान, भवती, जनक, जननी, माता, कन्या, बालः, any noun can be used in this way. सः पचति, एषः पचति, रामः पचति, बालः पचति, कृष्णः पचति, भवान पचति, भवती पचति. किंतु when you say I cook, aham, then it would be pachami. Aham pachami, I cook. So now we can learn the forms of verbs in first person, singular. Like we have here, patati would be patami. T would be with third person. Saha, Ramaha, Balaha, Purushaha, Bhavan, Bhavati, Kanya, Acharya, Vaidyaha. Any noun would be third person would be pachati, pathati, pathati. Kintu aham, when you say I, then it would be pathami. I read, aham pathami. So in English you do not have a distinction. I read, you read, but he reads. You say he reads. Rama reads. There you have distinction, of course. Rama reads, the boy reads, he reads, she reads. But when you say I, then you say I read. So similarly, in Sanskrit, saha pathati, he reads. Sa pathati, she reads. But when you say I read, then it is aham pathami. So pathati, pathami. Likhati, likhami. Nidrati, nidrami. Kridati, kridami. Dhavati, running, dhavami. I run, I am running, aham dhavami. Khadati, aham khadami. Bhakshayati, aham bhakshayami. Pibati, aham pibami. Aham pibami. Sa pibati, aham pibami. Snati, सः स्नाति, अहं स्नामि, I bath. He baths, I bath. Similarly, vadayati, he plays. He plays. We can say he plays a musical instrument or sitar. Saha sitaram vadayati. He plays sitar. Aham vadayami. Saha vadayati, aham vadayami. Saha kridati, aham kridami. Saha khelati, aham khelami. Sa uttisthati, aham uttisthami. She gets up, I get up. Uttisthati, uttisthami. Archati, archami. Pujayati, pujayami. Nrutyati, nrutyami. I dance. Nrutyami. Chalayati, chalayami. I wash. Aham hastau chalayami. I wash hands. Aham mukham chalayami. I wash my face. Sa mukham chalayati. Aham mukham chalayami. Chalayati, chalayami. Janati, janami. Sa janati, he knows. Aham janami, I know. Dadat, vadati, vadati, vadami. Vadati, vadami. Akarnayati, akarnayami. Shrunoti, shrunomi. He listens. Sah akarnayati, sah shunoti. I listen. Aham akarnayami or aham shrunomi. Gayati, aham gayami. Chintayati, aham chintayami. Hasati, aham hasami. Vikrinati, aham vikrinami. I sell. Krinati, krinami. I buy. Krinami. Santarati, santarami. I swim. Sah santarati, aham santarami. Dahati, dahami. Agnihi dahati, aham dahami. Saha nirvapayati, aham nirvapayami. Saha vishramyati, aham vishramyami. I rest. Kshipati, saha kshipati, aham kshipami. Kshipati, kshipami. Chumbati, chumbami. Adhyapayati, adhyapayami. Pathayati, pathayami. I teach. Aham pathayami. Aham adhyapayami. Karshati, karshami. I aham karshami. Pashyati, he sees, she sees. Aham pashyami. Pashyati, pashyami. Darshayati, he shows. Aham darshayami. Jigrati, jigrami. Krandati, krandami. Pachati, cooks. Pachami, I cook. Arohati, arohami. Avarohati, avarohami. Or avatarati, avatarami. I come down. Nudati, nudami. I pull. I push. Karshati, karshami. I pull. Kurdati, kurdami. I jump. Khanati, khanami. I dig. Ganayati, ganayami. I count. Charvayati, charvayami. I chew. Charvayami. Karang mardayati, karam mardayami. I shake hands. Karamardayami. Karamardayami. Chikitsati. Chikitsami. I treat. Garjati. Garjami. Roaring, shouting. Garjami. Prayachati. Prayachami. Yachati. Yachami. Dadati. Dadami. I give. Aham dadami. Swikaroti. I receive. Aham swikaromi. Sah swikaroti. Aham swikaromi. Sah prayachati. Aham prayachami. ऋषि ध्यायति और साधु ध्यायति अहम ध्यायामि नमति गांधी ही नमति महात्मा गांधी ही नमति बालः नमति अहम नमामि अहम नमामि ददाति गृह्णाति गृह्णामि अहम गृह्णामि I receive, I get. Swikaroti, swikaromi. I receive, I get. Dadati, sa dadati, aham grunami. Sa prayachati, aham grunami, aham swikaromi. Dadati, dadami. Aham dadami, I give. Pranamati, pranamami. अहम प्रणमामि ततः परम उद्घाटयति अहम उद्घाटयामि उद्घाटयति उद्घाटयामि पिदधाति पिदधामि क्लोजिंग ताड़यति ताड़यामि तुदति तुदामि तोलयति टू वे weighing tolayami. Yeah. Similarly, varshati, varshami. Varshati would be varshami, but varshati generally we don't use it in the first person. If there is some occasion to use the root, the verb varshati, then one can use also varshami, like showering something, showering flowers, pushpam, pushpani varshami, something like that. Okay. Asti, asmi. Third person, asti. First person, asmi. With asti, it is asmi in the first person. Aham asmi. I am. Aham Sadananda asmi. I am Sadananda. Aham Purushaha asmi. I am a man. Aham Acharyaha asmi. I am a teacher. Aham Vaidyaha asmi. I am a doctor. Aham Chalakaha asmi. I am a driver. Chalayati iti chalakaha. Driving, one who drives. So in this way, these are the verbs. Many of them we use in our day-to-day conversation. So I hope you can make some practice of these verbs by saying some small sentences like putraha patati aham patami, or putraha gachati aham gachami, or putraha khadati aham khadami, or sah khadati aham khadami, aham pachami aham karomi. Karomi, doing, to do. Sah karoti, he does. Aham karomi, I do. So in this way, you can make some little sentences using, may not be all the verbs, but at least some of them you can use, and you can say some sentences. As usual, like last lessons, we had learned one subhashita for each point, for each topic. Today also we can learn a subhashita for learning the verbs. The verbs in present tense singular form, we have here a subhashita, a nice verse which we can learn also to learn verbs. I recite. Dadati pratigruhnati guhyam akhyati pruchhati भुङ्क्ते भोजयते चैव षड्विधं प्रीतिलक्षणम् ददाति giving, प्रतिगृह्णाति receiving, गुह्यम आख्याति telling, आख्याति telling, गुह्यम secrets, पृच्छति asking, भुङ्क्ते eating, भोजयते feeding, चैव च एव, षड्विधम sixfold, प्रीतिलक्षणम प्रीति like friend, affection, lakshanam is symbol, sign, and cha eva we had here chaiva, cha eva, cha means and, eva is a indeclinable word which we use for giving emphasis or giving stress. So now the Subhasita says giving and receiving, dadati pratigruhnati, guhyam akhyati, akhyati is speaking or telling about private matters, guhyam, and asking, pruchhati, also about the same, asking about, telling about private matters, personal things, and also asking about that. And bhunkte, eating, and bhojayate, feeding, or offering food to others. Feeding means offering food to others. Eating and also eating from others and offering also food to others. These are sixfold, sadvidam, priti lakshanam. Sixfold is the sign of friendship. So, friendship signs. These are the 6 different activities or actions. These are the sixfold sign of friendship. So if you remember, if you memorize this verse, you can also learn the verbs in this verse like dadati 1, pratigruhnati 2, akhyati 3, pruchhati 4, bhunkte 5, bhojayate 6. So these are the 6 verbs we are used in this verse, and if you remember this Subhashita, then you also remember these 6 verbs. I recite it once again. Dadati pratigruhnati guhyam akhyati pruchhati bhunkte bhojayate chaiva षड्विधम प्रीति लक्षणम. With this nice Subhashita, let's conclude today's session, and please make some practice with all these verbs that we learned today in third person and in first person singular forms. Thank you all for joining today's lesson. I hope you enjoy. See you next time on Tuesday. Agami Mangalavasare Punardarshanaya. See you again. Punardarshanaya. Namo Namaha.